Welcome. We're jumping right into a guide that's based on Chapter 4 of a really critical report from Virtualization Options LLC. It's built for senior leaders and it explains why our old security models are, frankly, a liability in the age of AI and how that risk spreads through your entire business ecosystem. So let's just start with the central question this whole report brings up, a question that every leader should really be asking themselves. In this new era of AI, is that old security training, the one you've probably been doing for years, is it actually making you less safe? Is it creating a false sense of security?
All right, here's how we're going to break it down. We're going to look at why the old training model is basically obsolete. Then we'll see how that creates this huge cascade of business risk. And finally, we'll get into the good stuff, the solutions, like the shift to continuous defense and a new framework for due diligence.
Okay, let's get into it. To really solve this problem, we first have to understand why the old way of doing things, that annual check-the-box training, isn't just ineffective anymore. It's actually become dangerous. Look, the whole game has changed. We used to be in this era of compliance, right? You'd roll out some generic, one-size-fits-all training once a year. Everyone would check the box, and you were good. But now, we're in the era of AI threats. And these attacks aren't static. They're personal. They're sophisticated, they evolve constantly, and they are built to exploit human psychology at a massive scale. Your annual training just can't keep up. No way. And here's the crucial part. This isn't just some IT problem that stays in one department. Oh no. When your training fails, it sets off a chain reaction, a cascade of risk that can impact your entire business. First up, your customers. The report is really clear on this. When an employee falls for a super convincing AI phishing email, it's customer data on the line, their personal info, their financial details, and that's not just a bad headline. That's how you lose brand loyalty overnight and get hit with massive fines under things like GDPR and HIPAA. Next, that risk bleeds into your supply chain. Think about it. If your partners and suppliers are still using outdated training, they become your biggest vulnerability. Their weakness is a direct threat to your shared systems, your data. You know the saying, you're only as strong as your weakest link? Well, here it is. And finally, you better believe your investors are watching. Lousy training isn't just an internal HR issue anymore. For an investor, it's a huge red flag for financial risk. It's the kind of thing that hammers a stock price after a breach and leads to some really tough questions in the boardroom about who's responsible. And if you want to put a dollar figure on it, there you go. According to IBM's 2023 data, the average cost of a data breach is pushing $4.5 million. This is not a theoretical problem. And the report makes a point to say that AI is basically pouring gasoline on this fire, pushing that number higher and higher. Okay, so that's the bad news. So what do we do about it? The report lays out a solution it calls the continuous defense revolution. It's all about shifting from just trying to be compliant to building genuine, tough-as-nails resilience. And this is the core idea. It's a total paradigm shift. We're talking about moving away from that one-off annual training to something that's always on, always learning. The training itself actually uses AI to adapt, to send personalized phishing tests, and to give coaching that evolves in real time, right alongside the threats. So what does this actually look like in practice? Well, it's not just about doing more training, it's about doing smarter training. Things like phishing simulations that are tailored to an individual. Or, and this is huge, getting immediate just-in-time coaching right after you click on a fake link in a simulation. It's about training people on brand new AI risks and using analytics to see who's improving and who needs more help. The goal is to build a workforce that's truly vigilant, not just compliant. Now, this whole way of thinking doesn't stop at your own front door. The report argues that this new reality has to change how you vet your partners. Auditing their training needs to become a core part of your due diligence. And the report gives us 4 concrete things you need to start doing like yesterday. Don't just ask, hey, do you do security training? No, demand the documents. Ask to see their simulation results. You want to see the trends. Are their click rates going down? Ask for hard proof that employee behavior is actually getting better. And most importantly, if a vendor tells you they only do annual training, that has to be treated as a major red flag. The report is incredibly direct on this point. It's saying this isn't a nice to have anymore. Evaluating a partner's training program needs to be just as standard as checking their SOC 2 reports. It's that important. And finally, let's talk about a new fundamental skill that honestly, every single person from the front desk to the CEO absolutely has to have in this new world. We've all seen them. Deepfakes. And they are getting scarily good. With audio and video fakes this convincing, the ability to just stop, take a breath, and verify if something is real is no longer optional. These fakes are the new frontier of social engineering, and we just can't trust our own eyes and ears anymore. So this chart gives us a really practical checklist we can teach people. For audio, listen for weird pauses or digital artifacts. For video, look for things like blurry edges or unnatural eye movements. But the most important thing on here by far is that third column, out-of-band verification. It doesn't matter how real it seems. You never reply directly to the urgent request. You hang up, you use a separate, trusted channel, like an official phone number you look up yourself, to verify anything that seems even slightly off. This is the new muscle memory we all have to build. So we'll end with the same tough question the report poses to every leader. Because in this new age of AI, the very definition of due diligence has changed. The threats are smarter, they're faster, and the responsibility for managing that risk, both inside your company and across your entire supply chain, that rests with you.